We've always thought of you traditionally as a hard court player, which is outdated now with your success at Wimbledon. You always seem to be very fit, you look after yourself. Do you think you really have the potential to dominate the grass courts and dominate Wimbledon over the next 4 or 5 years?
Well, I have proven, first of all, to myself and to everybody else that I'm able to play on the highest level on this surface. In the beginning of my career, I struggled, to play on the grass because grass takes away a lot of your time, and I'm a player that likes to have a little bit more time to construct the point and get into the point. But I learned how to play on grass, and I always dreamed of being on this center court and winning Wimbledon. So I think that's it gave me an extra edge, psychological motivation to get better and to play well on grass. So now, will I be able to continue on playing this well or not? I'm not sure, but I will definitely try to do so.